Pia Manyoko no wonom akachi. Opanyini John Boadu opanyina na waye MPP Manyoko no etrefo na wode nsem atodwane nyina FN kane swafo no en wo hwe adwade ni fidudwuma ho nsem so Alan John kwajo chairman ten na no ada na se no ada obeka se watene ho afre MPP Manyoko no na John Boadu kyerese na ko so opanyini tina se di nani to se Amanyoko no wasom no abra Manyoko no ho ansa na wo si gina ye se opese wotene ho ekogina kwantenkro
news na by no na ya tisema beto hwe alanchemante ne dwuma why party I felt say can remain as atisem nti for me more so when the election vote back up to Mrs. The fortunes of a party idea me gidi say reasons in some minor and yes sufficient enough to say take such a decision of a party while investing over years. And the idea how be and be I want to say a major issue affected parties handing here, but the party, New Patriotic Party, a strong party, a party shares with the or so ubia or ye jumading ubia or drink quickly ubia odu baby na chese ho na chese ho ye baby aduane wo ho ye feta ne niema ye hu bi da anya first time I be hu bi towards 2000 elections ye hu bi guys well make sure that our votes are counted, and that resulted in that massive victory that we saw in 2016. I think that the person they have taken a decision already that the MPP is about to lose the elections. I don't see that at all, because yes, there are temporary setbacks. The world economic order is not in our favor. A lot of political parties in the world are going through such challenges and all that. But there are things that can be done to turn things around, because it is not as if our main opponent or a presidential candidate of the opposition have anything different to say. We will only be riding on the challenges that are both internal, but major part of it is external. So that's not the issue. It depends on how well we refocus and get things done.